What's the meaning of chorizo? Chorizo. Chorizo.
Chorizo. Chorizo. Chorizo is a type of sausage that originated in the Iberian Peninsula, which includes Spain and Portugal. It is made of chopped pork meat and seasoned with smoked paprika, garlic, and other spices. The sausage can be either cured or fresh, and it is often used in traditional Spanish dishes such as paella, tortilla, and huevos rotos. Chorizo is also popular in Latin American cuisine and is used in dishes such as empanadas and tacos. Overall, chorizo adds a smoky, spicy flavor to any dish it is used in, and it is a versatile ingredient in many cuisines.